Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming why Vanguard reports requires secure boot. Open system information and read secure boot state and BIOS mode because Vanguard needs a UEFI boot path. If your disk is MBR, make a backup now. You'll convert to GPT before changing firmware settings. Once done, ensure you have admin rights and UEFI access. This prevents surprises if secure boot is off due to legacy BIOS. Enabling it without converting the disk will leave Windows unbootable. You'll now change firmware settings step by step. Reboot into UEFI, and if prompted, set a supervisor password so options aren't locked. Navigate to Secure Boot and select the Windows default keys or standard profile. That installs pk/kek/db entries Secure Boot needs. If your drive was MBR, run MBR2 GPT from Windows or WinRe to convert to GPT first. Make sure to choose UEFI boot order after conversion. These steps let Vanguard once Secure Boot is enabled, boot Windows and confirm system information reads Secure Boot. On. Next, run the Riot Client installer as administrator to reinstall Vanguard. It should now accept the platform as secure. Make sure Windows boot order remains UEFI. If you encounter boot failures, don't panic. Use Windows Recovery to roll back the supervisor password change or restore your backup, and double-check firmware updates and TPM settings. One key troubleshooting tip. If Vanguard still errors, update your motherboard firmware and drivers, then retry the install.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.